What you save on flooring removal in cash can be lost in time and mistakes. For a do-it-yourself floor tile removal project, expect to pay mainly for tool rental or purchase and consumables, and plan the labor as part of your budget. A typical tool list includes a chisel or pry bar, heavy-duty hammer, floor scraper, rotary hammer with a chisel bit for large areas, safety gear such as eye protection and a dust mask, and disposal bags or a dumpster for debris. If renting a rotary hammer and scraper, the daily rate can add up, so calculate by the week if the job will take several days. Buying basic hand tools can be cheaper for small jobs, but increases physical effort significantly. Measure the area precisely and do a small test patch to estimate how easily tiles lift, because tiles set on thin-set mortar will demand more effort and time than peel and stick or tile over plywood. For professional contractors, most quote by square foot or by the hour and include labor, disposal, and sometimes a basic site cleanup in the price, so compare their full scope rather than just the headline rate. Account for hidden costs such as subfloor repairs that become visible after tile removal and factor those into whether hiring makes more sense. Common mistakes are underestimating time, which leads to extended tool rental and fatigue, so take a realistic test area and double the time estimate for planning. People also neglect safety and end up with cuts, dust inhalation or hearing damage. Use goggles, a rated dust mask, gloves and ear protection, and stop when you are too tired to work safely. Finally, skimping on disposal planning can create last-minute costs and delays. Arrange a roll-off or dumpster ahead of time, or know the municipal disposal options and fees, and pack debris in heavy-duty bags as you go. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare approaches and rough cost expectations for jobs like tile removal. We connect contractors seeking work with homeowners and host an active discussion community where users share real job experiences and budgeting tips.